What's up, my name is Jake and welcome back to another video. So today guys, we're going to unbox the new PC for my cousin. That motherfucker got a new PC. It's a Ryzen 3 mga kaibigan. It's 1030 G4. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and let's set it up and let's go. Dua mabukang Roblox. Hey, what's up, John? That's my cousin. I love your color, man. I'm not the racist. Hey, what are you doing here? Say hi. So this computer is for my cousin. So I didn't spend for this. Yung mama niya sponsor this. So this is not mine. This is for my cousin again. I just want to, just to document this one for to show it to my aunt that. So this is just a vlog of this is not all about art or anything. I just want to document this one because I want to improve my skills in speaking in front of the camera, vlogging, being comfortable in front of the camera. So yun yung minamaster, yun yung pinagpapraktisan ko ngayon at this time, at this moment. Kasi I want to improve myself. Sino ba naman ang hindi gustong mag-improve ang kanyang sarili in terms of this one? Because vlogging it's fun. I mean, yeah. We're pointing camera in your face and speaking random things, and sometimes you don't have idea or you're out of ideas to speak. You started speaking about what do you speak. You know what I mean? It makes sense. And by the way, we have a game live streaming every night if I'm available. You can check it. I'll put the link in the description. I have 2 pages, gaming pages, my own gaming pages. It's JK Villains or Villains, and my brother and my cousin have a collaboration of Jeff and Fritz FB page gaming. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description down below. Go check it out. Go like and follow and watch my stream. It's fun. It's fun, guys. I really it's really fun, So yeah, I think that's it. Let's go make the setup and let's build the PC for my little cousin. That's my cousin. You don't have a girlfriend, You don't have a girlfriend? Yeah!
Go away!
We'll be using this table for my cousin's computer, so okay, let's go. But let me just finish this spaghetti first. It's delicioso. I love it. By the way, this is a CPU. I'm in the system unit. Mag-ingat sa paggamit ng cutter. It's dangerous. Madre.
Ako ba may napatay sa kallo?
Baan mo na ba yan? I got a power cable. Got some manuals. Ooh, the CD. The BIOS. We've got some shit.
Hold siya mo na para makuha siya.
We need to have a converter because the monitor is a VGA and the graphics card an HDMI, so we need to convert it. So therefore this is the monitor and the graphics card at the same time, The system unit we got here. What are you looking at? So, are you ready? Are you ready, people? This is the motherfucking beast. Boy! It's Ryzen 3 with 1030 JDX GeForce motherfucking MSI. So it's super powerful. You can play Roblox in super high definition, bitch. Alright, let's set it up. Excuse me, motherfucker.
Madapunggol, motherfucker.
In case you want to see the inside, I'll open it for you.
Oh, di dinig ba? Bang, di punggol.
Chill.
Ay, balig yata.
You get that? We got Ryzen 3 and the JDX 1030 Ti. It's not Ti, it's JDX 1030. GT 1030. It's not JDX. GT 1030, yeah. Very powerful PC. It cost around 20,000 pesos. It's 25. Again, it's 25 pesos. So yeah. Let's put it back and let's rock and roll. Nice kid.
Suruhon rin mo.
Excuse gamay. And the next one would be the monitor. Good man. We got the monitor, mate. So we got the monitor. It's a very epic monitor. It's an AOC, bitch. It's an LED. We got 19 inches. It's not that bad. It's got low power. We've got LED ultra thin. 2 million color. I don't know what the hell is this. Narrow border. Then low power. The screen is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck you. What the fuck is wrong with eyes? Fuck! So we got the monitor. We got some. It's a power cable. And the monitor itself. Anything carton breaks.
Karton ba yun na lang ipanglabay ha kasi bakit na ipagpipag yung masud na ganyan.
Sakto dyan, babe.
The
Sakto dyan.
monitor is. Love it. Dang, super thin, boy. Damn! No problem, super easy. How about that? So the power cable for the system unite. By the way, we need to unbox this first. It's super packed. It's super beautiful. Love it. Where's the cutter? Headset. Cable. Kaya kuha ni. This is my phone for my computer right there. You've got the dashboard. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Damn, boy.
Salamat,
We got the
Shopee.
new dashboard. Asay man eh.
Bakit naman?
Magani asay. Iya tagi ko ang ya. Iya tagi naman ko. Sponsored by Microsoft. Thank you Microsoft for sending this epic dashboard. It's trash.
What the?
And we have the Alan Walker.
Alan din na. Alan din na.
Alan. It's Alan AVR. So we need to. Mira yung keyboard ug mouse oh. Okay, abli. Got A4 tech. A4 tech mga kaibigan. It's A4 tech. Mouse and keyboard. It's not that epic, but the quality of this keyboard and mouse is epic. I swear.
Tipan din.
Cutter.
Kape, ayun na yun. Wow.
And the monitor, we have to plug it in. This is a no, that's that one. Looking a lot. Kita mo po na ba kanina? Kagat na ba kanina? Saan yung fuse there? Wala. Keyboard. We got the VGA port. Dang.
Ay, sakto ra kayo, uy.
Sakto no.
Punit. Damn, boy.
Naman.
Ang mouse
Sakto na kayo.
Wow, sakto.
Ang kurang isukot.
Dito na.
Wait, nasa sila.
Oh. Ayun. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Tara.
Okay. Oh, diba? Oh, may ilaw na yan, ha?
Yeah!
Dinadyo ko, miski lang
Say,
kadagtad.
mama, gawa na pagmayaw.